Welcome back. Now that you know the capabilities of the GI 275, you can select the proper variant for your installation. Before you start the installation, read the GI 275 STC installation manual to assure that you have the right unit and components for a successful installation. You will also need the Pilot Operating Handbook and Aircraft Flight Manual to set the right values during configuration. The GI 275 base contains an internal VFR GPS receiver. It is recommended to install the glare shield mounted backup GPS antenna to aid in reception. The GI 275 base is the ideal way to consolidate several analog piston engine instruments onto a GI 275 display. The GI 275 has automatic monitoring and alerts built into the system. It's like having someone watch your engine data all the time. You can install up to 2 GI 275 units on a single engine aircraft, or one display for each engine on a multi-engine aircraft. To install an EIS, you will need an engine adapter and the appropriate sensors for each engine. A GEA-24 is available for Class 1 and 2 aircraft, and a GEA-110 for Class 1, 2, and 3. Keep in mind, if you're using a GI 275 as a primary EIS display, it cannot be used to display other functions like weather, navigation, or traffic. When you set up an EIS, you must, at a minimum, display RPM, oil pressure, oil temperature, and, if applicable, manifold pressure. The GI 275 ADAHRS variant has an air data, attitude, and heading reference system circuit board. By adding an outside air temperature probe and a magnetometer, you can configure the GI 275 into an attitude direction indicator. If you want a horizontal situation indicator, you only need to add a magnetometer. There are 2 magnetometers available depending on your aircraft, a GMU-11 for Class 1 and 2, or a GMU-44B for Class 1 through 4. The third and most enhanced variant is the GI 275 ADAHRS+AP. This unit would be installed along with an approved autopilot system. It will provide the heading, course error, and gyro output to drive an autopilot. Both ADAHRS variants have backup batteries included with the purchase. The GI 275 uses a USB connection to upload software and databases to the system. A USB dongle connects into the wiring harness and is exposed when needed. An optional GSB-15 USB connector can be permanently mounted into your instrument panel in place of the dongle. This allows you to conveniently load data and doubles as a charger for your portable electronic devices. You may also set up the built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection to update databases through the Garmin Pilot app. Okay, the instruments and all the components are in. Now it's time to start configuring your GI 275s. Check out our next video, Assigning Unit IDs. This will be the first step in configuring your system.